All right, we're gonna do a before and after with the lubrication. We're at a job today, so we're gonna go ahead and do the before. Then the last one. Looks way better. Part of the joints right now is still trying to lube it, so this door hasn't been lubed in a while. So yeah, so that's why I had to mess with it about a few times, and that's why you're hearing that spring clunking a little bit. But that door over there is definitely way better than this one for sure, and it is far to tell, so I'll go ahead and close it. That is way quieter though than this door right here. Again, thought I could get a comparison. Again, this is Alec with Garage Doors. If your door is squeaking, please give me a call today, 440-221-2094. All right, thanks guys. Don't forget to subscribe.